Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. Okay, in this video I'm going to unboxing this smart band, and this is Huawei Smart Band 8 with ultra design, scientific sleep tracking, and long battery life, of course. And this watch gives a classic and cool impression with its midnight black color so that it can support your style to look cooler and sportier. Okay, now let's move on to look at the back of the box. So this Huawei is equipped with an ultra-thin design with 8.99mm, which will give a simple impression because it is not too thick. And next, the band screen that has been equipped with AMOLED Full View display feature with a width of 1.47 inches. Next, this band is also equipped with fast charging and long battery life feature that will make this band durable even for days. And furthermore, this band is also equipped with continuous heart rate monitoring like other smart band. And then there's a scientific sleep tracking feature that is able to control and assess the quality of your sleep. And then there's also automatic SP02, and then there are more than 100 workout modes and more than 10,000 watch faces over there, which is some watch faces need to be purchased separately. And the last one is, of course, water resistant with up to 5 atm pressure. Okay, here we are. Let's start to unboxing this Huawei Band 8. Okay, first you have to open the seal. This is very easy to do. You can simply remove the tape that is on the cardboard, and it is very easy to open, and then you can take out the content of the box like this. Okay, first here, of course, you get the Huawei Band 8 Smart Band. And secondly, you get a charger cable that is equipped with a smart charging feature with a magnet. So this will use this magnet to charge it. And thirdly, you will get a warranty card and also a user manual book like this. Okay guys, then here's the design of the Huawei Smart Band 8, which is equipped with a strap that is quite thick but soft and will not irritate you. And on the back, there's also a magnetic side that will be connected to a charge like this, and this is very easy to charge later. Okay, let's switch us unseal the cover of the screen, and we will see an AMOLED full view display screen like this, which is very beautiful. So next, let's turn on this Huawei Band 8 by long press on the side button until the screen is on, and you can wait for a while until the screen is perfectly on, and then you can set the settings on your Huawei Band 8. Okay, that's all for this unboxing video about Huawei Smart Band 8. And what do you think, guys? Whether after seeing this video you are interested in buying Huawei Smart Band 8 or not? Okay, you can try writing on the comments section about your opinion. Okay, that's all for the video, and thank you so much for watching.